You've seen how my amazing 8-pound Oreck XL Hypoallergenic Plus weighs less than a gallon of milk, yet it creates suction velocity equal to a Category 2 hurricane.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The new vacuum cleaner, the new Oreck in the house. The Oreck Elevate Contour. Fact about this vacuum, it's still lightweight. As you can see, you can probably, although if you don't want one of those heavy duty like freaking vacuum cleaner, is so heavy to the point where it's a backbreaker. I gotta move all this stuff. I'm sorry about that. I don't know why I have to do this all the time. Move some bones too from the puppy we have. Throw away some. Appears to be dog food somehow. I don't want to be doing all that. This is the new Elevate Contour vacuum cleaner. Oreck vacuum cleaner. I decided I was gonna film this today. The cord hook's kind of tricky here. It's kind of tricky. I think they may have tightened it a little bit tighter to the point where it's just hard to turn it to the point where, yeah. Oh, it's also, I think it has a little bit of a longer cord. Look at that. Look at that plug. Yeah. Make sure the thing doesn't even, yeah. Craziest thing about this vacuum cleaner, oh man, I gotta admit, it's really quiet in the house, but as soon as we turn this thing on, you're gonna hear much of a difference between sound. It's not even that loud, I don't think, but the coolest thing is, check this out. In the old one, that part would pretty much have to will fall down, but you have to step on it like this to get to, get it to the point where it hits the carpet or else the hardwood floor. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Start it up. And it's a lot sounding different. It's literally, it has an LED light and everything. got it on a carpet setting. You notice that it's really self-propelled too, which is nice. I love it. As soon as you hit the hardwood floor, it kind of. The only thing though, make sure. Yeah, it's really nice and self-propelled. I'm definitely not going to use a high setting on the thing though. It kind of doesn't really, it sounds like it's hitting the floor. Like, yeah. Oh, and it swivels too, which is nice. And the coolest thing is, if you put it on high setting, the light actually stays at its full brightness, as the old one pretty much has the light that actually dims. So there's a huge difference. It kind of flickers a little bit, but hopefully it won't cause anyone who has epilepsy. Hopefully. Listen to that dirt just sucking. It's crazy. Oh man, look at all that dirt down there. Dang. And it smells like a new vacuum too, which is nice. I like it as much as my Shark, actually. I think I like this better than my Shark. My Shark, sorry, not a VX3. It's a Navigator swivel. Look how long that cord is too. It's nice. Turn this light. Fortunately, I can't really. I had to turn it off as soon as I do because I'm afraid I might do something here. Okay. The only downside about it does not get under furniture that well, so that's the downside about it. That's, yeah. a lot nice. The motor sounds, I like the motor sound, it's cool. The motor sounds, it kind of reminds me of a Hoover. The motor kind of sounds like a Hoover Elite series. Reminds me of an Elite or a convertible series. Kind of reminds me of it. Gosh. This carpet definitely has no most dirt, and you'll see why. Okay, transfer that plug. I mean, I could. Maybe I don't need to transfer the plug. Not yeah, that's a pretty nice size cord. I'm not really sure how long the cord's gonna last, but I might as well see what happens here. Yeah. Oh well. See what happens if I hit the carpet setting on the hardwood floor. Back to low. Unfortunately, it's not the motor that's making that sound, it's the brushes just hitting against the floor. I noticed that the old one did not seem to have that problem. Now this carpet here, I'm always worried about this carpet because it might have problems with this vacuum cleaner, so I don't know. Yeah. Still though, with a much different cord. I got half an hour left, but yeah. Even though I'm not sure. Now the fact is, David Oreck's in his 90s now, and I'm pretty sure. You never know, but the craziest thing is, Oreck is still making vacuum cleaners at his age. So yeah, yeah. I hate this carpet here. I don't know how good the vacuum's gonna do on the carpet here. I always get nervous about that carpet. Let's see about this rug. It's the only thing I hate about this rug. Now this carpet, which I hate so much. Sorry about the doo-doo shot. That's my dog's. Oh, except the fact that that's disgusting. I'm not picking that thing up. See what I mean? It doesn't even go on furniture, that one. Ouch, that hurt. Ah, okay. Yeah, that hurt my foot. Ah. Yeah. Nothing gonna get by an Oreck. Stupid table. Alright. Although I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing with the other one. Otherwise I'm going to use the hose for the stairs, but oh well. Wish Oreck's had a hose attachment on it. Yeah, that's right. And that rug upstairs, oof, that's gonna be a challenge. Okay, now for the upstairs. Well, let's see. I'm gonna do it what Mom does. Vacuuming upstairs. Staircase style. Can't be that much of a difference between the old and the new, huh? I don't know. Maybe I'm just making that up. Yeah, I guess it won't work on the big rug. Did you see that? The light flash. So you know what that means? It actually will know that it will jam. So you know what that means? I gotta use the shark for this one. Yeah, that is awesome. This rug, I hate this rug. Don't trust this rug. And then what we'll do when it... Yeah, it will work. Okay. So as soon as you get it on jam, it will just turn back on. We're definitely not gonna do the rug. Yeah. That's cool. So as soon as it actually gets onto a certain... Do you see that? The light flash. That's awesome. You know, that's it. I'm doing my bedroom. I'm doing it. I'm starting with my bedroom. Sorry, rug. You suck. want to see what happens if it does go on the rug. See if it actually does it again. No, it's not gonna work. I don't know. I don't trust it. I don't trust it at all. I'm hearing strange sounds, but I don't see any sparks or anything. Get that freaking sock out of the freaking way. Oh my god. Oh, hey Zeus. Watch this. Dog's gonna bark. I actually got a video of him. My dad was on video of him barking. What is that? Is that a... Oh, it's just part of the wood. Oh man, that bathroom rug looks tricky too. Should I try it? Might as well do it easy, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. That seems hard. Not sure what that is, but I'm not gonna pick that up. Oh wait, what's this? Paper. It's just a piece of paper. Yeah, suck that shit up. The motor sound on it. Yeah, I'm done. For the upstairs. So what happens when we go downstairs? Test out the big carpet. Yeah. I don't think I've ever carried this down the stairs before, but I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah. For no particular reason, it's lightweight still. They say it actually is lightweight when the it's actually lightweight, and they say the cord, and it's actually true. It's more lightweight, or it's more lighter than what is in the when it has the cord hooked on. Yeah, I'm not taking any chances. Rug sucks. I'm not taking any chances. If I ruin the vacuum, fine. And it's on me. Just got the vacuum cleaner too. We got it this time last week. What's this? Kind of interesting. I didn't even test it the day we got it. It's awesome. It's an awesome vacuum cleaner. I love it. But I miss the old one. I miss the old green one. It was nice. It was a nice green one until it got old, and then next thing you know, the motor was starting to kind of spark. Hello, Zeus's bone. I'll put you in the couch for now. This carpet doesn't seem so bad for it, too. Left the lights on. Left the lights on. Yeah. Not taking any chances. Now, of course, there is a difference between the size of the bag. The bag is about almost as wide as the tip, the way my hands are. It was a little bit. The old one had a little bit of a, like a, I don't know how to describe the bag, but it's a lot. This one's a lot thinner than the old one, which, yes, we all know Orecks are made to last longer, but I don't even know if the newer Orecks are made to last longer too. So this might last another 10 years or so. If not, then you know what? I mean, we got a warranty on it, so hopefully we got a warranty on it. It's a nice vacuum. I love it. I love this vacuum. I mean, I don't love it yet, but I miss the old one that much. So look at that. I can scoot it back without it dropping. So I might as well put it on high setting. And that's carpet setting right there. It has 2 speeds, but remember the old one had like a line and 2 lines. 1 line would pretty much mean hardwood and 2 lines would mean carpet. But then this one has labeled hard floor carpet. So yeah. It's nice and smooth. It's nice and self-propelled on a little bit self-propelled on the carpet. It's a little bit hard on carpet than it is on hardwood floor. And it smells like a new vacuum when it runs. Now the only saddest part is I remember the old one having a smelly, almost like an air freshener thing, just freshen up the carpet and the smell. This one does not have it, sadly. I don't think it has or not. So Mom probably didn't. What's this? What is this? Oh, it's just fuzz. Never mind. I like how beautiful the LED lights are. They're nice and bright. The old one wasn't bright anymore. Let's go ahead and move all this stuff. Apparently, you know, yeah, it's in the way here. Don't know about Zeus's bowl, but oh well. And look, all these there's all this glitter that we have here. Must be from the stuff. But yeah, oh well. It should be good. Start over here again. swivel. Steering's nice. Yeah. Cord's in the way here. Not sure what that is. Oh. Leaf. Something. What was I doing? No. Sorry, I'm used to my shark. I don't know why I did that. Let's do the stairs. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It just, I don't know. Yeah. I guess that's it, guys. Or Elevate Concours. Elevate Concours. I'm pretty sure, the Elevate, the actual other models that are called the Elevate, it's probably what the model is. No, and sadly, doesn't really, the old one said, helping handle on the other one. God, this darn hook. I feel like they need to loosen that a little bit. Now, the coolest thing is, I remember the commercial Oreck that I tried in Las Vegas. It had this. Reminds me of the commercial a little bit. Remember the old one that had the. I don't even remember. I think it just had the weird hooking thing. You know, crazy is like I think you could carry it like that too. You can carry it like that too. I don't know how to do it, but I think I know how to carry it like that. I'm always afraid of carrying that stuff. Anyway, yeah. That's a cord. Pretty sure you can carry it too, like this. I'm thinking. Yeah. That's another way of carrying the vacuum cleaner. If you have to carry it on the stairs, but I don't think I'm gonna use that feature. So yeah. Anyway, let's put her away. I think that's it. I think that's it for now. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching.